everyone. So sa ngayon tignan natin kung ano ang mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. We have this one in reverse. So we also have this one. I'm sensing with this about poisoning at ito can be about following. Pertinan natin. So we have the betray. So no wonder why. Actually, mag-ingat kayo sa kinakasama nyo or sa fina-follow nyo can be sa social media. Kasi whomever that is, this person could be betraying you by words. Kasi we also have poisoning here, meaning din kasi yan. Sa kapalitan naman siya, ibig sabihin na dapat hindi ka ma-impluwensyahan. Kasi yung tao na yon parang nilalason niya yung iyong mind. Okay? So, avoid na magoyo. Lalong-lalo na sa social media. We also have the truth. We also got the weak in reverse. So, lalabas din yung katotohanan, okay? Kasi siguro, may mga instances na with the weak being here, may mga bagay siguro na para nag-hold back sa'yo, pero lumalabas yung katotohanan na, nakikita mo yung strength mo. Can be meron sa sinasabi sa social media or can be sinasabi ng kasama mo, kapamilya mo, katrabaho can be na nagpapa-down sa'yo or nagpapa-dim ng light. Kaya huwag kang malalason sana ng mga sinasabi ng ibang tao kasi yung iba doon ay hindi naman totoo, and that could be the reason why sometimes you feel weak. Okay, and we also have the cold here. We also have this one. Okay, this is sad. Kasi kung sino man yung taong yun, cold-hearted siya. At I feel na ito yung tao na hindi mo akalain na ganito yung emosyon niya. Okay? Ganyan yung mukha niya pa nakita kanyang masaya or nakita niya yung iyong strength. Kaya siguro yung tao niya, dindim niya yung iyong light, or if ever this is an influencer, baka kasi yung nangyayari dyan is, parang ginagamit niya yung influence niya para mag-dim ng light, which is sad. We also have the rest in reverse. Okay, so I really feel na some of you really need some time for space at para na rin kayo makapag-isip kasi minsan, wala kayong time for muni-muni at minsan, nangyari dito is, naka-adapt kayo ng ibang words sa social media or can be with the people around you. Sometimes, na-absorb mo and nakalimutan mong i-let go yung mga bagay na hindi dapat. Nakalason ba kung baga? So, masasabi ko na if ever something is negative, guys, huwag kayo agad maniwala doon kasi some people really try to dim the light of others. May mga tao talaga na salbahe. At ito rin yung actually kailangan ma-realize as well kasi yung iba siguro sa inyo na you thought everybody is good. Lalong-lalo na guys, if ever you study in a Catholic school, sometimes ang nangyayari yan, nakakala mo lahat ng mga klase mo ay mabubuti or basta nag-aral doon, mabubuti, but in reality, yung ibang tao, hindi nila inadapt kung ano man yung kanilang natutunan dati na nag-aaral pa sila, which is sad. Magulat na lang kayo na parang nagbago siya or hindi siya actually kagaya mo na sinapuso kung ano man yung napag-aralan mo before na good manners, okay, which is sad. So, may just be a realization, guys, na may mga words talaga na nakakalason at dapat nating iwasan. And learn to know your strength. Okay? Wag kayo magpadim ng light by words only. Because once that you know yourself, hindi ka madaling mauuto ng mga toxic words or ng mga bullies. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano ka and you know your strength. Okay? If they point out your weakness, anything like that, know yourself first. know yourself first. Para hindi ka agad matangay ng hangin ng mga taong yan. Okay? So anyway, that's it. And God bless all of you.